Yeah, I got the cat-like reflexes.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose.
Hey, Stefan. Hey! Huh. I wasn't looking. I'm like an inch away. What am I supposed to do?
Have cat-like reflexes.
I'm on alert now.
Throw it. I dare ya.
Yeah, see, I would have caught that one.
What's up, everybody? Today is paver day. Actually, we're laying slabs, more like slab day. With this big area, we're gonna start laying out our 3/8 inch chipstone. We can't lay anything over there yet. We have heating blankets. We're gonna have heated pavers. So we're gonna start this section. We've got a couple of layers in so far. We're actually gonna start bringing in some slabs right now. We're gonna run these massive 30 by 30 inch squares on a 45-degree angle. It's gonna be really nice, so stay tuned. So paver day number 2. We got frozen tundra edition. 2 inches of snow, as you can see. So we've got torch, and the torch, it's officially torch season. The new thing for staff. We've got the propane hooked up to the flamethrower, and we're just trying to melt the snow away so we can keep rocking in for our pavers.
Now naturally, when I saw the blow torch, I got super excited
gave this guy a hug until he informed me it wasn't for me, it was to melt the snow off the rocks, so that sucked, but
Otherwise, it's a good day. It's beautiful.
eh.
All right, let's lay some more slabs. Alright, so we created this little jib because what happened is these slabs are about 2 1/4 inch thick. These are about 2 3/4 inch thick. So we need to create something where we can scrape this chip away easier than just using your hands or a trowel. So we just measured what our difference was. I think this is like a 2 3/4, maybe 2 1/2, because we want to be able to pound the pavers down on the edge. So we'll use this kind of like so. Gonna remove that excess chip. We should be able to pop these things in pretty quick. Oh yeah. Look how nice that is. You like that, Stefan?
Yeah, I love that.
Then we'll get that mallet. Mallet me.
I don't have the mallet.
Right behind you.
Mallet me.
Right behind you, Steph.
Steph ruined the video.
Mallet. Mallet. Little tap. Just let them know you're there.
Hey, sweet cheeks.
Feel good? Easy peasy.
Oh, the mallet's over there. That's the one.
That's the one you want. Yeah. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're drawing our lines for our border paver. What I like to do is overlay our pavers to the house, and that way we get a nice clean line. And that way once we cut that clean line all the way around, the border pavers will go in. It'll look really nice. So a lot of extra work. We cut things twice, right? We cut this once to fit it in. We're going to cut it again, but I think it's the best way to do it. It makes the most sense. It looks good. So we're going to mark this really quick. We've marked out 5 inches here. We've got a 4 1/4 inch paver, but they're going to add some veneer stone on the side of the house. We want to accommodate that extra inch they're going to have there, so we're going to bring it out a little bit further. So we've got these marked on a couple of different spots. Use it level. Very nice, clean line. Sign my name on the lens. Let this area open cut. It's been a nice week of laying slabs. This is the only area we can get into this week because we've got all that area that they're going to be doing some heating blankets, radiant heating, whatever you call it, for the pavers. They have to do that first. So now we've got this whole layer, this whole little section laid in, looking really nice. Probably half of the patio here. You see, we're using these really beautiful 30-inch by 30-inch Travertina slabs on a diamond pattern or on a 45-degree angle, whatever you want to call that. So now we're kind of cutting in our pavers around the house, working around as many obstacles as we can. We've got these columns that are going to go in later, kind of leaving those areas open for the house crew to come in and to do that. Otherwise, it's been a great week of slabs.